So I know you guys have been tapped into the latest series, Sneaker Grills, and we already on the 3rd episode. And today I did somewhat of the unthinkable, man. I traded two pair of sneakers that you guys probably gonna say, why did you do that? For one of my grills that I need to check off the list. Like I said, I'm trying to, weed through my collection, see what I want, see what I don't really need anymore, and go attain the sneakers that I really want. That's why we start and sparked up the series, Sneaker Grill. So I hope you guys are about to enjoy episode 3, man. Let's get right into it. Hey, if you guys new to the channel right now, what I need you to do, man, hit that like button. Everybody part of the Vintage Squad, come through, spam the likes up, drop some comments down below. Let me know what are some of your sneaker grills, some of the sneakers that you really been eyeing, that you ain't willing to spend the bread for yet. Let me know some of your holy grills down below in the comment section. It'd be greatly appreciated. And of course, if you're new, subscribe right now to the channel. So I don't know if you guys watched my sneaker collection video. I was talking about how I really didn't wear any of my Yeezys anymore, how I wanted to just sell every single pair of Yeezys. And also, I've been listing a lot of pairs of Yeezys on my Instagram page where I'm selling sneakers, the vintage_closet. So if you guys are tuned in, you want to, say copy a pair of sneaker size 8.5 through 9.5, go tap into the IG, the vintage_closet. That's where I'm selling sneakers for crazy steals. And that's how I got this crazy deal for my grill, trading two pair of my Yeezys for this ultimate grill. You guys are I know you guys are gonna agree with this one, and especially when I tell you guys every single detail about this trade up. So like I said, man, let's go ahead and get right into it, man. So before we get into the package, you know what I'm saying, we got that tamper evident tape. This is a crazy pack inside here, man. Ain't no mid. This is one of them all-time grills on a lot of people's list, and I was just so happy and so fortunate to run across the homie for these right here. So like I said, let's go ahead and show the first two pairs of Yeezys that I did trade up for this one right here. All right, so for the first one, we have Yeezy Boost 350 V2 black and black. So you guys should know exactly what these things are right here. I remember copping this pair like it was yesterday. I think I got these on StockX actually, and this is one of the ones I didn't really want anymore. I didn't even wear them. I actually started wearing them to the gym, but I was like, hold on, let me not disrespect the triple black Yeezys that much. So this is the first pair of Yeezys that I am trading, and potentially it's gonna be a lot more, either selling them for like $150, $180, or trading them for something that I really want to add to the collection. So here goes the first pair, still in great condition. Just didn't want them, you know what I'm saying? If you don't appreciate the sneaker anymore, just go ahead and trade them, sell them, give it to somebody else that really want the sneaker. And I feel like this trade was good because the homie Sell Kicks Theory really wanted these, and I really wanted the pair that he had. So let's go ahead and show you guys the other pair of sneakers. This is the first one, triple black Yeezy 350 V2s. And then for the second pair, we have Yeezy Boost 350 V2 core white, and core white. So you guys should already know, I think it's actually cream white if I'm not mistaken, in a size 9. And bam, check them out. We are trading up the Yeezy 350 V2 creams. Now I know y'all like, hold on, you gotta have something crazy in the package, and we gonna get to that eventually, man. But here goes the second pair I traded up for, and I actually got an extra $100 on top of this deal. So the triple black Yeezys, the cream Yeezys, plus $100 for the sneaker that I'm about to show you guys right now. So enough talking, let's get into the grill. This is my first time ever seeing this pair in hand, the first time ever. This is one of the ones I said I always wanted. They dropped a couple of times, but I haven't seen any rumors of them dropping them again. So I was like, you know what, let me just go ahead and trade a couple pairs that I really don't want anymore for these bad boys right here. And I got an extra $100 on top. So let's go ahead and break them out, man. Let's break them out. Your boy's excited. First time seeing these ever in hand, ultimate grill status. Got these bad boys in size 8.5. It's an older sneaker, so of course the box is going to be dented up. Air Jordan 7 retro black, Toro red, dark charcoal, and I think it's purple. I think it's club purple. Check it out. Check that size label out. OG, man. This is that OG heat in here, bro. So let's go ahead and peel them out. Your boy's excited. Let's get into it. And yes, sir. Yes, sir. We have them, man. The Air Jordan 7 Raptors. Oh my God, look at these bad boys right here, man. Let's go ahead and pull both of the sneakers out of the box. 100% D. He said it was DS, so let's go ahead and inspect the sneaker real quick. He said it was 100% DS. And check out the outsoles. These things are definitely 100% dead stock. You guys know 7s are mostly known for the crazy outsole, and of course the crazy peaks with the different colors, the splash of color. And the Raptors have to be up there for one of the best Air Jordan 7 colorways of all time, in my opinion. You guys let me know if you agree with that one. Are the Air Jordan 7 Raptors like top 3? Are they top 5? Or are they not even in your top 10 list? I need to see you guys' thoughts and opinions. These also dropped in like another form of the Raptors. I think it was a pack. It was like a more lighter gray on the upper, and you still got the Raptor hits on the sides and on the bottom of the sneaker. But I think there was like 2 separate ones. I'm sorry, I put a picture up here if I can. But man, your boy finally has them. The Jordan logo is still intact at the bottom, and this sneaker is old. I actually think these dropped back in like 2008, or let me see, let me check. They actually dropped in 2012. So this sneaker right here is over 11 years old. So I gotta put these things to work, put these things to on feet, you know what I'm saying? Because you guys know eventually sneakers start to wear down, the outsoles get a little bit weaker, the insoles get a little bit more softer, but we gotta go ahead and pull them out, get a dope fit. And man, your boy is excited to finally have the Air Jordan 7 Raptors in this collection. Hey guys, it was only right, man. It was only right. I went to grab my Air Jordan 4 Raptors. So now we have the Air Jordan 4s and the OG Air Jordan 7 joints right here. Man, I am super excited. I might have to wipe these down a little bit. They are, like I said, 11 years old. Sometimes I might want to wipe up the midsoles. They've been sitting in a box for what, 11 years now. Steel DS. Very good condition. 10 out of 10 for an older pair of these bad boys right here. And I love Air Jordan 4s, but I'm gonna have to go with the Air Jordan 7s being better than these joints right here. That's just my honest opinion. What you guys think, 4s or 7s for the best Raptor colorway? So this was another successful Sneaker Grills episode 3. You know what I'm saying? I hope you guys are enjoying this content. I'm trading up, I'm trading, I'm buying up, all that good stuff just to get some of those classics, some of them OGs I've always wanted. And I seen this, I came across this IG, shout out to the homie Sell Kicks Theory. I said, bro, let me just go ahead and trade a couple pairs that I don't even want, and maybe add a little bit of cash on top. And we got the deal done, and I finally was successful on grabbing the Air Jordan 7 Raptor things, man. Leave a huge like on today's video. The goal for every Sneaker Girls episode is 500 likes. Let's go ahead and kill that. Spam them likes up, spam them comments up. Let's keep this series going and bring more people to the channel to check out what your boy's been adding as far as grails to the collection. Make sure you guys go tap into my clothing brand, Shop Noir. I still have a bunch of items available for you guys to purchase. So let's a couple things that I know you might like. So like I said, click that link down below. Go check it out. Go support the brand. It'd be greatly appreciated. And like I said earlier in the video, I still am selling a lot of sneakers out of my collection. I'm still trading pairs. Like I said, hit me up, thevintage_closet. It might secure you a crazy steal or deal from your boy The Vintage. Again, I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys for tuning in to yet another episode of Sneaker Grills. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.